Hello guys, welcome to Fio Plays, and make sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and let's get onto it. So basically we're playing Natural Disaster Survival with Cece here.
Hi guys! Woo!
Woo!
I've been on this channel for like a little bit. Like this is my second day on this channel. So
Yeah, you better check out her first video.
yep, it was the one on the boat, and I'm pretty sure it's called Fio Destroys Boats.
Fio destroys a boat. And basically it's about me destroying a boat. That boat deserved it.
I was the background person. I was like the person that was like, I'm hiding it right now. Like, yeah, so.
Yeah, she was the person who was freaking out.
Yeah, and I was also like a little baby at some point.
Goo goo. And gaga.
So, yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe also. Again.
And ring that bell. Ooh, and again.
Yeah, ring the bell so that you would not miss a video.
And
Because now I'm starting to post randomly.
And if you
Oh my gosh, let's go to the volcano.
even though there was one that said don't. But if you haven't seen the video that
Ooga booga!
if you haven't seen the video,
Check it out.
The Fio destroys a boat. Keep forgetting.
Fio destroys a boat.
Yeah. So if
Make
you
sure to
haven't-
check it out.
after this one, because this one is
The
really
best.
good like the other one.
Oh yeah,
All of them are, so watch all of them.
Meowie has been here a long time and Meowie's kind of still sick. But he's gonna take a day off for today.
So yeah, but we're gonna see him again.
Soon.
Yeah, soon. Well, not today. But
Yeah, not today.
So I'm excited to be here. Are you?
Yep.
How about you
Nope.
watching the video? Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
As what you say. Oh wait, I died. Dang it.
Okay, let's keep going with the video.
Bungana, bungana,
Listen,
bungana.
what is it saying?
Don't be shy. Wanna talk? Or what to talk? Let them speak. Banana 20.
Look at that.
Um,
I said the volcano like
2925. Bananas.
that was fun.
Bananas. I love bananas. I love bananas.
Why are you singing about
So
bananas?
guys,
How did
blah
that,
blah 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 blah.
how did that come
over there.
by bananas? How did this all start with bananas now? Bananas.
Because there's someone with
Okay, bananas.
Don't be shy, guys. Banana.
Why are you singing?
No, get it to yellow.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa,
I
whoa.
really want to get on this. I want to see what this is. Wait, what? Don't get off. Don't get off.
It doesn't really start,
Okay, look
but this works.
guys, if you hear a little tap tap, that's me.
She has her tapping shoes. You hear them?
But you might hear that a little while because I have my tap shoes on. So. Dawn, dawn, dawn. Wait, what are you in? That reminds
Oh,
me of
I'm in
Moon.
a.
Is that a me? That reminds me of me.
No, it's like the place where they serve you food because like you're hungry at, yeah, kind of like that, but like outside.
I never played this game before, so I'm new to it. It's cute here. Look at it.
Because she's rude. I'm just kidding.
I only watch people play, and I never ever played in real life, so yeah.
She's not the one playing it though,
Yeah.
so she never actually played it.
Yeah, because how I'm doing this, then how would I play?
Tap, 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 tap. Her breaks her bed
Yeah, because we're in my house on my bed.
at street. Okay. I live in Ooga Booga town. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's found in.
Okay, so look at this. So these are all the people that survived?
Yeah.
Wait,
I survived! I'm in the purple!
Yeah, it's
You
at
better
the
like
top.
because I survived.
It's at the top.
Okay, guys, if I survive the other one, you gotta like and subscribe now.
And I'm only
Anyway, we had to cut back because,
something.
yeah, something. Anyway,
We're not gonna talk about that though.
because, privacy reasons.
Yep, embarrassing reasons.
He's 1 billion years old.
What?
She's 1 billion years old.
Nope.
Cece, sound like a old grandma. She disintegrated. What was that? It sounded like whoosh. Anyway, if I survive this one, you better give me a like. Yeah, because if I survive this, I can survive anything.
Because this is
I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold.
Why do I
It's
see
hot.
some of your face?
I'm cold. This is warm
Yep, it's warm.
and tasty. Ooh, we gaga goo, we gaga goo, we gaga goo, we gaga, 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 dee, gaga, da, oh. Made for a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
It's good.
You hear those burps?
Everybody watching right now here.
Everybody clap your hands. I bet I could clap faster than you.
Okay, let's go.
I bet I could clap faster than you. That's obviously gonna be faster than your clap. Let me know in the comments if you did faster. And also, I'm gonna play you a song.
I'm just gonna. Okay, this time. That is. No, that's gonna hurt the audience's ears.
Is this the microphone? Because you're. Anyway,